though.
But listen. But if it did say that, would you still be like, oh, that's? If it did say that, you can call me good citizen.
Good citizen.
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah. So if it did say that, would you still point to it? That's still unconstitutional to require. So that's the point.
Policy. I don't understand why we can't just follow policy.
But that's the point. So, but if the policy was to keep out blacks, that was a policy at one point, right?
We're done talking.
Yeah.
I'm done.
I'm sure you probably wouldn't be that upset with that policy either, would you?
I know, right? Yeah.
Would
right,
you?
I know. There we go.
Just policy. Why can't we follow policy?
There we go.
So the people in there are more than helpful. They're going to be willing to help you with anything you need. You just got to go through the security thing, and
okay.
You're welcome to go in there.
All right. Thanks, Sergeant.
Come on in.
Appreciate it.
The only thing is, you don't record in the building, you can record outside.
All right, man. We're not gonna. I'm not gonna stop recording. So we're just. I guess we ran into another hiccup here. It's my constitutional right.
Okay, no, sir, I have to say something.
You just got to go through the security check.
Okay. Sorry.
Oh, you were not on the line?
Yeah. Thank you. Where's the city clerk? I mean the county clerk.
They're gonna help you.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Hi, Sarah.
Hi.
How can I help you?
Hi. What was your name?
Joanne.
Joanne. Nice to meet you, Joanne.
Nice to meet you. What can we help you with today?
I just wanted to do a FOIL request.
Okay, but you could do that online.
Okay.
We don't actually do the FOIL request here. Mm-hmm. So what you do is you can go home, go to a library, Nassau County Clerk.
You don't have a FOIL form here?
We do not have the FOIL forms here. No, you can do it online. The forms are all online.
Okay. And then court records I would do here, though?
Not a FOIL request, but if you
But
wanted to
court
look at
records.
court records, yes.
Okay. And that would be
That
through
would-
your office?
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm just going to ask you not to record because of our
So
documents. That's
these
all.
can help you also. Guide to obtaining vital documents and a guide to the office of the county clerk.
Okay. Yeah, I'm not going to turn off my camera, so, I mean, I guess
The only thing is we can't, because of the sensitivity of our documents,
they're public documents.
not all documents, not all court records are public documents.
Well, I wouldn't be recording all court records just
I
by,
don't want to be recording.
well, technically you already are, but it doesn't matter. I mean, at the end of the day, ma'am, I'm not going to
What
keep
is it?
going back
Tell
and
us-
forth.
Right, exactly. What is it that you need?
I told you I went to check out some court records.
Okay, do you have your index number and everything?
No, I'm going to look it up on my phone. I can look it up on my phone.
And if you needed internet access, like
Yeah.
any public library,
Any public library.
free
But I'm
internet
saying, what if
access.
they were disabled or they didn't have,
I
they
think
didn't know,
they
they
have
didn't,
services for the disabled in the
that
county.
they didn't know how to
They might
use a
be able to help.
computer or something like that. Some people are older and don't know how to use a computer. I want to make sure it's available to everybody, not just like, people who are computer savvy.
Yep.
That's all.
You're exercising your constitutional rights. I think that's awesome.
Correct. Thanks, man. Appreciate it, Sergeant.